Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss chapter number 1, that is of standard 6 social science, and it is sources of history. Okay, we had already discussed in part 1 regarding to the sources. Okay, and we had already discussed about the first reliable source, or we can say valid source, and which was that which we had discussed in the first video, that you have to tell me in the comment box. Okay, so today in this video we are going to learn the other sources which are, we can say, useful to get the information about history or past. And second source or valid source, that is records in stone inscription. Now stone you know very well, and inscription matlab to write on the stone. Here you have one photograph of stone inscription. Okay, now something is written here, but we don't know that what is written and how old it is. So with the help of C14, or we can say carbon dating system, so with the help of carbon dating system we come to know. So the scientists and even archaeologists have find the same thing with the help of carbon 14, that which is written here. And not only that, it is definitely it is source, okay, to get the history, but even with the help of the particular sources we come to know about the kings, their administration and the particular and events of that particular time, that we had already discussed in part 1, right? Now in ancient times, main incident like achievement of kings, writing of orders and treaties with other states were carved on the stone or metal plates. Now what happened if we are talking about the ancient time or earlier time? So what the king did, सो वॉट एवर द अचीवमेंट दे रिसीव और गॉट, अचीवमेंट मतलब जो भी उन लोगों ने सिद्धि हासिल की या तो विक्ट्री हासिल की थी, या तो कोई भी बैटल या फाइट करने में उन लोगों को विक्ट्री मिली थी, तो वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वो लोग कहाँ पे लिखवाते थे. और वी कैन से राइटिंग ऑफ ऑर्डर एंड ट्रीटीज. ट्रीट करना मतलब संधि करना, मीन्स वी कैन से एक दूसरों के साथ समझौता करना विद अदर स्टेट्स. वर्कआउट काउड करना मतलब कोतरनी करना, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ऑन स्टोन और मेटल प्लेट्स. सो अर्लियर विच वर द सोर्सेज यूज बाय किंग्स टू शो देयर अचीवमेंट, सो दे यूज stones and even metal plates. The metal plates and stone writing known as inscription. So from here also the question is there of 1 mark, that what is inscription. So metal plates and stone writing known as inscriptions. Whatever the things written or carved on the metal plates as well as stones, so they are considered as inscription. Exist even today and are preserved in the archives such as the National Archive of Delhi. Now exist मतलब हयात होना, आज भी present होना. So if we are talking about the past history, so sometime it is very old, because we had already discussed that it is of ancient time. एंशियंट मतलब टू ओल्ड टाइम, बट स्टिल इट इज़ प्रिजर्व मतलब सेव करके रखा है. कहाँ पे? सो आर्चीव्स, जहाँ पे ये इंस्क्रिप्शन को स्टोर किया जाता है, दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज आर्चीव. और आर्चीव का नेम आपको याद रखना है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नेशनल आर्चीव्स ऑफ दिल्ली. सो इन द ब्लैंक ऑल्सो द क्वेश्चन इज दैट सम ऑफ द राइटिंग known as inscription even still exist today, which are preserved in archive of blank. So your answer is National Archives of Delhi. Now third one, that is the source from which we get the information about history and past, that is vessels, ornaments and tools. Vessels मतलब जो हम टूल्स डे बाई डे यूज़ करते हैं. ऑर्नामेंट्स मतलब हमारे जो ज्वेलरी जो हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, एंड टूल्स. सो यू हैव द फोटोग्राफ्स हियर. First one, that is vessels, and second one ornament. You can see here some of the ornaments are here. Okay, these all are the ornaments. And tools, this is a wheel and other tools are also here. So with the help of vessels, even ornaments and tools also, we get the information, and even we collect the information about history and particular time of the past. ड्यूरिंग एग्जीबिशंस, एग्जीबिशन करना मतलब लैंड को डीक करना. to dig the land. Okay. Utensils, stone tools, and ancient ornaments are found which help us to know the history of ancient time. So during the exhibitions, मतलब जब भी आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं वो डिग करते हैं लैंड को, तो उसमें से यूटेंसिल्स मतलब वेसल्स मिलते हैं, स्टोन के टूल्स मिलते हैं, इवन ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑल्सो. So with the help of these things we come to know about the history of a particular time or ancient time. Based on picture number 1.4 that we had discussed in the previous slide, gather information on similar objects found from an exhibition site near to your residence. Even when you try to find on the internet, so you also have the lots of information about that. If you are talking about Gujarat, so in Gujarat also we'll have that so many exhibition site like Dholavira and all that thing. Okay, Rangpur, Rojri. When in the upcoming semester we are going to discuss all the things in detail. Okay, Harappian civilization, Mohenjo-daro, you know very well. And even आपने वो Mohenjo-daro मूवी भी देखी होगी, जिसके अंदर जो पोर्शन है that is of the past history. Okay, so we come to know about that thing. Just as archaeologists do, we too can know the history of ancient time from old coins, stone inscription, paintings, and even metal plates. So the things which are like gathered by the historians, same way if we have the old coins, so if you have, then you can see coin के ऊपर date लिखी हो, मतलब period लिखा होता है, time लिखा होता है. So we come to know about that. Then stone inscription, whenever we are going in the old temples, so on the stone some things are written over there. So with the help of that also, even paintings, whenever you are visited caves, okay, Ajanta, Ellora, then Elephanta cave, so you get the paintings over there. And even sometimes on the metal plates also, whenever, I think, I don't know but you have visited or not, but when you visited Qutub Minar, तो वहाँ पे भी लिखा है. देन इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ ताजमहल, तो उसके भी जो भी स्टोन्स है उसके ऊपर इंफॉर्मेशन लिखी हुई है. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कम टू नो अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर किंग, देन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, कौन से पर्पस से वो बनाया गया था, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दैट. सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Now the questions that is very important question, the sources of history, and may be possible that in exam the question is there, write the sources of history or main sources of history. So documents, paintings, ornaments, toys, coins, inscription मतलब जो स्टोन के ऊपर लिखा होता है वो, भोजपत्र, metal plates, old buildings, temple, travelogues मतलब the books which is written on the traveling base. Then Tadpatra. So these all are the valid sources of history. We can say valid source of history. So you have to remember that thing. Then after stone inscription. So what is stone inscription? So the writings which are carved on stones, जो stone के ऊपर लिखा जाता है, so they are considered as stone inscription. From here new definition is there, Bhojpatra. So the bark of a tree on which books are written in ancient time. Okay, bark of tree, or we can say skin of the tree. And which was the name of that tree? We had already discussed in the previous video, that is Bhoj. Okay, Bhoj नाम के ट्री की स्किन या तो बार के ऊपर जो लिखा जाता है, so that is known as Bhojpatra. Then after copper plates. So inscription on copper and tin. जो भी इंस्क्रिप्शन लिखे हुए होते हैं कॉपर या तो टिन की प्लेट्स पे, दैट इज़ कॉपर प्लेट्स. देन कार्बन डेटिंग सिस्टम, इट इज़ ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड C14, इज़ यूज्ड बाय आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट टू नो द एग्जैक्ट डेट एंड टाइम ऑफ अ फाइंडिंग. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ C14 मतलब कार्बन डेटिंग सिस्टम वी कम टू नो अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट मतलब फिक्स्ड डेट एंड टाइम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर time. Okay, then archives. So what is archive? So places which store historical records, जहाँ पे historical records हमें देखने के लिए मिलते हैं वो. We had discussed in earlier video National Archive of very good Delhi. Okay, that we had already discussed. Then after we now know that there are three various sources from which we get authentic historical information. Authentic मतलब valid, okay, acceptable information. So which are the sources? First one, that is Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Second one, that is stone inscription. And third one, that we had discussed tools, ornaments and all that thing. Let us collect the sources from which we can gather the history of our town or village. So we can know more about history from the copper plates, Bhojpatra and manuscripts of the ancient time. Now some of the inscript we can say जो भी स्टोरिंग प्लेस है विच इज़ वेयर दे आर सिचुएटेड, ओके, जो आर्चीव्स है तो यहाँ पे उसके नेम है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज फार एज एग्जाम इज़ कंसर्न. सो राइट द नेम ऑफ द आर्चीव्स. सो सी श्री हेमचंद्राचार्य लाइब्रेरी विच इज़ सिचुएटेड इन पाटन, नॉर्थ गुजरात. सेकेंड वन, LD इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडोलॉजी, दैट इज़ नवरंगपुरा, अहमदाबाद. ट्राइबल म्यूजियम, गुजरात विद्यापीठ, अहमदाबाद. एंड महावीर जैन Aradhana Kendra, that is Koba, Gandhinagar. So these four are very important places or archives from where we are getting the information of history. Which are they? So Sri Hemchandracharya Library, which is situated in Patan, North Gujarat. LD Institute of Indology, that is Navrangpura, Ahmedabad. Then Tribal Museum, Gujarat Vidyapit, Ahmedabad. And Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra, that is in Koba, Gandhinagar. I hope it is clear to you. Still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. So I will try to solve your doubts and problems. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.